It's Vlogmas day 1. Okay, trying to get the stuff out of my throat. Excuse me. All right, I am, I've had my coffee and I am headed, first I'm going to go walk, but first I'm going to put some seeds out for Rocky, the squirrel. So come along with me, I'll turn you around. So we're going to go over here, and there's June over there, wagging her little tail. Here's the little dish. It broke last year after them getting all over it, so I just keep the leaf there. And I've got his water dish right there. So he'll be back out here probably within a minute. So come along for, so I'm going to take you along for a little bit of my walk. Alright, so we are out. I'm over at the park. Gonna start my walk. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 54 degrees, I believe. Got a little bit of a breeze. So, yeah, we'll just see how much I end up doing this morning. So I'll check back in here with you in just a little bit. All right, so real quick, I thought I'd just show you my outfit for the day. I've got to go to pick up some prescriptions, go to the grocery store, and just some little errands. So I am dressed for errands. I've got black leggings on, my Skechers, yeah, Skechers, and then this mustard little sweatshirt hoodie that is just so comfortable. Let's see, I've got just plain my gold hoop earrings on, and the makeup, let's see, I don't know if you can see it in this lighting too much. I may can show you in the car, but I use the ColourPop Solstice eyeshadow palette, and I use the blush from it as well too, and then a Becca lip. So just very basic today. Gonna go out and get some stuff done. All right, one thing down. Stopped at CVS and picked up 3 prescriptions, but I got to go back home and pick up a coupon because I've got a new medication that I'm going to tell you all about in my little update. I may do my update tomorrow in my vlog. Yeah, and I'll tell you about the medication then too. But right now I'm just showing you out here in this daylight my makeup, and I am, whoops, here it goes. I'm sporting my new Vicky sunglasses that they sent me. I'm just really digging these. So they're kind of a Clubmaster type style, but they're very nice. I'll be putting the link down there in the description box below. But thank you again, Vicky Eyewear, for sending me these darling little sunnies. So, all right, I got to go to the grocery store now. All right, so we are starting dinner. I've got my big mixing bowl out here. I have got in here 1 thinly sliced onion and 4 white potatoes about the size of my fist, thinly sliced. Now I've got here 3 chicken breasts cut up, and I'm going to put that in there as well. So I'm going to use my hands here. I've got my oven heating up to 350. So I am going to drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to use about, let's see, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of olive oil for all of this. All right. And I apologize that I can't have, I guess I could be putting this down here where you could see what I'm doing. Maybe that. Maybe that. Okay, so I'm going to get in here and mix all this up. Mixing the onions, potatoes, and chicken here in this big bowl, and then we'll put them in a casserole dish. But I'm trying to get that olive oil kind of just dispersed on everything. All right, so that's pretty darn good. So now what I have here is, now let me wash my hands real quick. All right, so for the seasonings, I've got 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And then I'm just going to start sprinkling some black pepper. In it. And then we're going to do some smoked paprika as well. All right. And I'm going to give this a stir. Again. All right, we will. Mom's going to take a drink. Cheers. All right, now in here I have 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of mustard. So, it smells like deviled eggs. All right. All right, I'm getting this, and then when Patrick gets back from the store, we're going to do the advent calendars. Yay! I've been waiting all day. I've been waiting for a month. What am I talking about? To do the advent calendars. So, this was instead of Wine Wednesday tonight. Maybe next Wednesday, instead of doing a vlog, I'll just do Wine Wednesday. We'll see how it goes. All right, I'm going to put this in my dish right here. And a few little stragglers. All right. All right. Kind of even this out here. So You should have plenty of leftovers. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I've got sharp white cheddar. So I just want to, and this is about a cup, not in weight, but in volume. So I'm just going to sprinkle this all on top. The oven is heating up. Who doesn't like potatoes with cheese on them, right? Okay. All right. So this is what we got going on for dinner tonight. Oh, Santa baby. Santa baby.
I'm assuming that'd be me.
Yes, it is. Say hello to everybody.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah. Are you ready to play Santa?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's Advent calendars.
Year 2.
That's right, year 2.
Hey there.
There we are. Okay. Put it over here. All right. So Santa, I need. Santa needs his glasses.
Yeah.
We have the wine Advent calendar. This is from Aldi. We have the cheese Advent calendar from Aldi. I have a chocolate Advent calendar for dessert from Aldi. And then I have from World Market the fur babies. If y'all remembered last year, we did all of these last year as well. So, okay, Santa baby, I need a bottle of wine.
Alrighty then. Uno.
Uno.
It's pine cone.
No pine cones. It is, oh, a Brut Rosé. All right. All right, so Santa, I have, just because that needs to be chilled, I have a glass chilling, just in case.
Cool. Oh, yeah.
Right here. And you see my little napkins? I got these last year. I got several different ones. So Santa, are you doing anything special for the holidays?
Not doing anything special. Just getting toys ready for all the good little boys and girls.
Okay, where's your beard?
I put it up till Christmas Eve.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where's your red suit?
It's put up till Christmas Eve as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the reindeer?
They're eating right now.
What do they like to eat?
Reindeer stuff. I forgot what his response was in that movie to that question.
I did too.
I know, right? Oh darn, I'll have to rewatch it.
Oh darn, okay. Woohoo.
One poor Judy.
Cheers.
Yeah. All right, so what are you doing? Cheesy wheat?
I need some cheese.
Okay.
I think June remembers. She's over here watching. Oh, here comes the other one. Here comes the other one. He knows. They remember from last year. It's Santa Baby. There's Chico. He's like, what? Is it our turn? have I got? What does it say? Eat them?
Yes.
Eat them cheese. Okay. Eat them all up?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
One. Yeah.
All right.
Set that there.
I tell you what, why don't you go ahead and do theirs?
Okay.
Theirs. Isn't that cute? Okay, they have to share it though.
Okay.
Ooh, it's a white cookie. It's a white cookie.
It's perfectly even.
Here's one. And there's the other one, and there they go. All right, I need a bite of this cheese, Santa.
Here.
How do I get into that? I haven't decorated my table yet. That's coming. I haven't decorated this much either, but it's coming. Or my windows, or my tree over there. Maybe y'all will get to see me in a vlog. Ooh, cheese. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Want to bite, Shannon?
Sure.
It's good cheese.
All right. It's good.
Very good cheese.
Yeah.
All right.
Got it.
We clean up as we go here in this house. I need chocolate, Santa. Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
Just a sable?
No.
There's always one. It's gotta be difficult. There we go.
This is not the same chocolate advent calendar. Last year I got it from World Market. This one is from Aldi, so I thought I'd give their chocolate a try. Ooh, little raspberry square. Mmm. That's good. All right. All right, I've got everything here now that I need for Advent stuff, so we're going to sign off here. So, from our house to yours, happy Advent, happy Vlogmas, and we will see you tomorrow. But remember, ladies, what I tell you, every day get up and show up because you're worth it. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.